What's up, folks? How we doing? So I have some big news. I have decided to rebrand my channel, and I'm going to start with renaming the channel. And I was thinking what I might do is Grey Skies Photography, because what the hell? Oh my god. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind shooting in grey skies every now and then. But oh my, have I had grey skies for the last, what, 5 or 6 outings. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll check back in later. So I found this tree here with some buds coming up. Gonna have a play around with that. Let me show you. There's a little one here. Pretty straightforward, just kind of something in around there. Actually, I think this is what I'm going to focus on today, this kind of thing, you know? These little... I only have my 40mm with me. It's obviously not a macro lens, but I'll play around with the settings. And I don't know if these will be any good, but I'll show them anyhow, see where we're at. Pop them up on screen now. I'm actually down here in Socrates Sculpture Park at the moment. Do all these installations every now and then. Just thought I'd show you. It's kind of cool. We have this, some sort of table. No info, it just says, please do not touch. And then, what else have we got? They do like insect habitats over here too, which is pretty cool. Take you over here, this one. Actually, maybe this isn't one, this is a sculpture as well. John Deere. Maybe wants to pause and have a read. John Deere is a sculpture and a performance. Here, a converted commercial John Deere lawnmower has been transformed into a raised bed garden of, I can't say that, teosinte grass, which are filled with cascading steel frame. It's a bit different, all right? What's up, folks? Been walking around for a while, just pretty much taking shots of, you know, leaves and such, flowers, just trying to get some like close-ups. I'm back over here in Ditmars again. You may have recognized it from a previous video. Still all blocked off this part of the park. But yeah, I'm not too disheartened that today has been the way it is, but still frustrating. I got out yesterday to Flushing. Currently in the middle of making that video, but I think I'm a little too early for spring flowers. So I guess I just got to keep coming back and checking in. As I always say, at least I'm out here, I'm trying, I'm doing it. But yeah.